Yes. So far we have covered about the meaning of the modals, the various structures and rules that we need to keep in mind about modals, and we had started discussing about different modal forms used under different headings. So we discussed about permission, that how we can use may, can, could for asking permission. So this way we see that how can is direct, formal, informal, and friendly. May is formal, and could is used as polite way of taking or asking permission, right? And we also see that how when we are giving permission, we can use may and can, but we cannot use could for giving permission. Then possibility. For possibilities, we use may, might, and could. When we use may, might, and could, may suggests a good possibility, might suggest a weak possibility, could suggest a still a weaker possibility. And if we want to refer to the possibility in the past, we can use may, might, could with have plus past participle. So may have, might have, could have plus verb in its third form, right? Then ability, can, could, or be able to. So we see that to talk about the present ability, we use can. We can also replace it with be able to with is, am, are able to. Could is used for past abilities. So you can also replace could with was or were able to, right? And could have plus verb third form is used to discuss what was possible in the past but it did not happen. किसी कारण से वो नहीं हो पाया, नहीं कर सके. So that way you can add could have plus past participle. Next, we discussed about suggestions, advice, duty. Should and ought, when you have to give a general piece of advice, then we use should. Ought to, it carries with it a sense of moral obligation. So if you want to talk about duty or you want to say what is right or good, we use should or ought to. We also use should plus ought to plus have plus past participle to suggest that someone did not do what was desirable. So should have, ought to have plus verb third form. In this category, shall we, should we, can, and could also follows. What shall we play? Shall we play Scrabble? Should I keep the door open for you, ma'am? So when we are talking about shall, it is an informal way of asking or giving, making suggestions, or should is used in a formal way. We can also use can and could to make suggestion. Again, can is an informal way, could is more polite and less direct. Right? So हमने यहाँ तक समझा था. नाउ आगे हम अब बढ़ते हैं. So अगली स्लाइड में हम देखते हैं necessity, compulsion. So when we have to talk about necessity, express about necessity or compulsion, we use the words like must, have got to, need. I must work hard to improve my grades. I have to work hard to improve my grades. Quite similar in meaning, but there is just a slight difference between must and have to. In must, the authority comes from the speaker. You must be in your seat by 6. That means the speaker is insisting that it is my order that you must be in your seat by 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. In have to, the authority comes from outside the speaker. That means it is given order as per the prevailing practice or rule or custom. You have to be in your seat by 6. That means it is the rule of the office that you must be there in your seat by 6. As for example, in summer season earlier, you used to have the school timings like 7:30. So you were required to reach the school by 7:30. So when the speaker says, you must reach school by 7:30, that means speaker is insisting that you should be there. You have to be there in the school by 7:30. That means it is the rule of the school that as per school rule and timings, you must be there in the school by 7:30. So must means when the speaker is giving some order, the authority is from the speaker's side. In have to, the authority comes from outside the speaker, which is given as per, the order is given as per the prevailing practice, some rule or custom, right? Must, have to, have got to, आगे आता है have got to. It can be used same as have to, we have to hurry up, we have got to hurry up. We have to hurry up, that means formal way of saying. We have got to hurry up, it is an informal way of saying. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम ही है, लेकिन जो यूसेज है have to is more formal, have got to is informal. Had to when past necessity or compulsion is discussed about. I had to stay back last evening for an important teleconference, right? So as per the necessity, you were required to stay back there, and it was about the past necessity. So present ke liye we can use must or have to, have got to in an informal way, had to for the past. Need ki jo baat hai, I'll discuss later about need, the necessity. Must and can't, apart from talking about must for necessity, must is also used in deductions or assumption. Here deduction means when you deduce the meaning, when you try to find out the meaning, when you make assumptions that you are very sure of something. It is 10 a.m. so Mr. Narang must be in his office. ऑफिस के जो टाइमिंग्स है, और अगर सुबह के 10 बज रहे हैं तो नारंग, मिस्टर नारंग इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन हिज ऑफिस. द नेगेटिव ऑफ मस्ट इज कांट. अगर आप नेगेटिव यूज करते हो तो मस्टेंट वहां नहीं यूज करोगे, ठीक है. मिस्टर सहगल लेफ्ट ओनली 5 मिनट्स अगो, ही कांट बी फार. नाउ इस बात का ध्यान रखना है, मस्ट जो है इन केस ऑफ मॉडल्स यूज्ड एज नेसेसिटी, मस्ट का नेगेटिव मस्ट नॉट होता है, बट व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग अजम्पशंस, मस्ट का जो आपने नेगेटिव है वो करना है कांट, राइट स्टूडेंट्स. इस बात का ध्यान रखोगे. इट इज ओनली इन केस ऑफ अजम्पशंस. So Mr. Sehgal left only 5 minutes ago. He can't be far. Must have, can't have, could have plus verb 3 is for assumptions in the past. What a palatial building. You must have spent a fortune on it. बिल्डिंग बहुत ही शानदार बनी हुई है, तो स्पीकर जो है वो बात कर रहा है कि उस पर काफी खर्च कर दिया होगा. सो दैट वे मस्ट एंड कांट. देन देयर इज रिक्वेस्ट. We can use modals like can, could, will, would. Can is about the ability, will, would is about the willingness. So asking for something, can I have a glass of water, please? Could I see that pen, please? Can is an informal way. Could is more polite way of asking for things, requesting for things. Asking someone to do something, in case are you able to, means talking about the ability of person to do something. Can you give me a lift to the market? Can, informal way. Could you advise me on this? It is polite way of talking to some stranger, or in a formal way of asking for the person if he is able to do that. Asking someone to do something with will and would. That means are you willing to, is meaning में जाता है. Will you close that window please? Will you close that window? That means will is for informal. Would you speak a bit slowly? Would request जो है, it is formal and more polite way of requesting. Would you mind repeating what you just said? Would के साथ, you के साथ mind word भी आता है. Would you mind repeating? It is also a polite way of requesting someone to do something. Right? So can or could, it talks about the able to. That means if the person is able to do that. Will and would in case of willingness to do that. Can, informal. Could, more polite and formal. Will, informal. Would, more polite and formal. Right? Next, promise, will and shall. In simple future, we've already discussed about this thing, that when with first person singular and plural we use shall. for simple future. And for third person plural or singular, we use will for simple future. But when you interchange, then the meaning changes, and the meaning refers to the promise and the assurance made. So जब I के साथ will लगा देते हो, that means you are referring to a promise. He, she, it के साथ, they के साथ जब shall लगा देते हो, it refers to promise or assurance. जैसे I will stand by you through thick and thin. That means it shows the person's promise, an assurance made by him that he would stand by the person in his thick and thin. Thick and thin means the word of difficult times. These people may be poor, but they shall be given a fair trial, assuring them that they shall be. So shall be जो usage है, it is now acting as a modal here. ये यहाँ पर simple helping verb नहीं है, it is acting as modal. Wish के लिए हम may का usage करते हैं. May you ever live in bliss. Bliss refers to happiness. May you be blessed with a long life. So this way we use the modal may for making wishes or praying for someone. Now these are a few modals: dare, need, used to. They are considered as semi-modal. Semi-modal means these words can be used as regular verb and also as modal. और वो कैसे modal के तौर पे यूज हो रहे हैं, कैसे regular verb के तौर पे, take these example. Dare, she dares to go into the park, means she has the courage to do something. And dare यहाँ पर 3 forms में use हो जाएगा: dare, dared, dared. Now dare as modal, he dare not meet me face to face. और modal के तौर पर कैसे यूज है, देखिए आसानी से आप इसको समझ सकते हो. यहाँ पर देखिए dare को आप should या must से रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. He should not meet me, he must not meet me. But यहाँ देखिए she dares to go, she must to go into the park, she should go to go into the park. सेंटेंस बन रहा है? नहीं बन रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर dare जो है वो यूज हुआ है एज अ रेगुलर वर्ब. But here dare is used as modal, and you can replace it with should and must. So where you can replace the verb dare with should and must, that means it is used as modal. And with this formula, you can easily identify whether it is a modal or it is acting as a regular verb. Similar is the case with need. I need money. Need as modal, you need to wait for him. I को अगर यहाँ को I should money, देखो मीनिंग नहीं बन रहा है. That means यहाँ need as a regular verb है. You need to wait for him. You should wait for him. यहाँ देखिए need को आप replace कर पाए हो should के साथ. That means the need here is used as modal. She need not come here tomorrow. Now see बेटा difference क्या है? When need is used in a positive way, to use किया गया यहाँ पर, right? So infinitive to is added, but need not negative के साथ to add नहीं होता है, इस बात का भी ध्यान रखोगे. And इसी तरह से used to use होता है as a modal. When I was young, I used to work very hard. I would work very hard. You can replace it with would here. So that way you can use the modal in this way. So these modals, dare, need, and used to, they are considered as semi-modal because they can be used as main verb, regular verb, and they can also be used as modal auxiliaries, right? And this is the chart. This chart I'll also share in the assignment that I'll share with you. You can prepare a chart like this and it will be helpful for you to remember all the modals in a proper way, right? So now let's have some practice. One by one, you will unmute and answer. Now, my son dash be home by now. Where can he be? What is the correct answer from the given option? Yes, who will answer? Yes, beta, Vidya.
My son should be home by now. Where can he be? Ma'am, C option should.
Yes, correct. Should be, because यहाँ पर should is referring to, sorry, the thing which is right to do. So when you have to express the thing which is right to do, you can refer to with should. Next one. I think your thumb is broken. You dash, go to emergency room. Vansh. Which is the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am. So The correct answer would be could.
He is giving a suggestion as per
You can, ma'am. You
ought
can
to
be
go to the emergency room. Could हो जाता है बेटा अगर आप
ma'am.
यहाँ कोई polite way of नहीं है. It is talking about the
Can.
emergency of the situation and what is right for a person to do. So what is right for a person to do? यहाँ should नहीं है, otherwise we could have taken should, but यहाँ पर option में क्या given है? Ought to.
Auto.
Yes, the ought to is the correct answer. Might हो नहीं
Ma'am,
सकता.
can there be should?
Pardon?
Should.
हाँ, अगर should में
Ma'am,
option
can.
होता तो हम कहते should, but option में क्या दिया है? Ought to.
Ought
Should
to.
and ought to. अगर आपको वो slide याद हो, उसमें क्या क्या चीजें थी? To give suggestion or advice or to tell what is right to do. यहाँ पर सही काम क्या है? To go to the emergency room क्योंकि उसकी thumb में चोट लगी है. Right?
Ma'am, or must.
You must go. Yes, you can refer.
Ma'am,
But
necessity.
necessity हो सकता है. You need to go necessity में आता अगर need option होता तो. ठीक है? चलिए. Next one. If you are interested in losing weight, you dash try this new diet. एक मिनट. And quickly answer बताइए. हमारे पास बहुत थोड़ा समय है. कशिश बताइए.
Could.
Yes, it's a polite way of giving suggestion. You could. Correct. Johnny has fallen down the stairs. I dash call an ambulance. Pratham.
Ma'am will.
Will, because it shows the assurance कि मैं फटाफट से ambulance बुला देता हूँ. Correct. You dash come too early. We won't leave until what is the time here? 9 o'clock. Yes. Priyanka. Hurry up, Priyanka.
You must come too early. We won't leave till 9 o'clock.
नो देखिए नेगेटिव फॉलो कर रहा है कि भाई हम सुबह 9 बजे से पहले नहीं निकलने वाले हैं तो तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है जल्दी आने की. यू नीड नॉट कम टू अर्ली. नीड नॉट. राइट. सो दीज आर द आंसर्स. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Children dash be accompanied by an adult at the zoo. What is the correct answer? Anshika.
Yes, ma'am. Children dash be accompanied by an adult at the zoo. Ma'am must.
Must. As per rule, as per duty, they must be accompanied. Yes. You dash talk during test. It is forbidden. Manav.
Ought to.
Pardon?
Ought to.
No. ought to कैसे होगा? देखिए यहाँ पर मना कर रहा है. नेगेटिव आंसर होगा तो कौन सा है? चुनिए ए बी और सी में से. अथॉरिटी
Ma'am,
फ्रॉम द
could not.
स्पीकर. अथॉरिटी फ्रॉम द स्पीकर. You must not talk during test. Is it forbidden? ठीक है. You must not talk during the test. Next one. I can feel the heat. We dash be near the fire. Parneet.
I can feel the heat. We would be near the fire.
No.
We must be near the fire.
Yes, we are making assumption. That means हम जरूर आग के पास में हैं. मुझे heat महसूस हो रही है. We must be near the fire. Making assumption here. Number 9. They dash hear him because he was whispering. Rijul.
They couldn't hear him because he was whispering.
Yes, talking about the past inability. They couldn't hear him. Yes, correct answer. Number 10. You have never heard of Britney Spears? You dash be serious. Shrey.
You can't be serious.
Yes, of course. And you can't be serious making assumption. So, जब हम assumption करते हैं और हम क्या use करेंगे? Can't, right? Good one. You can't be serious. So these are the answer here. Next one. Dash you like to have dinner with me tonight? Ravnoor. Keep your hands raised. I'm coming to
Could
one
you
by
like
one.
to have dinner with me?
Yes. No.
Could.
What is, no, could nahi beta. You are making a polite request. Willingness hai, willingness.
Would you
Yes.
like to have dinner to
Yes. Would you like to have? We are asking for the person's willingness if he would like to have the dinner. So would you like to have dinner with me tonight, right? Dash, sorry, number 12, you dash let him hear about the party tomorrow. It is a surprise. Salil,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you must not.
correct answer. Compulsion not to do something, you must not. Next, 13, dash I speak to the chief of police, please. ये तो बहुत easy है. हिमांशी प्रभाकर.
must
Must कैसे? You're asking permission.
may
Yes, may I speak to the chief of police? It's a formal way of making a request. May I speak to the chief of police, please? Last one here. He has arrived late. He dash missed the bus. Narinder.
He must have missed the bus.
Yes, he must
Okay.
have. We are making again assumption about the past. He must have. He might have. अगर option में होता तो वो भी हो सकता था. Yes, correct one. So these are the answers. ये भी एक कोशिश कर लेते. We still have 4 minutes. I suggest that you get a good lawyer. इसको आपने sentence में convert करना है with the correct modal, starting with you. Yes, Sachit. Frame a sentence. Hint given is suggest. I suggest that you get a good lawyer.
Yes, ma'am. You must get a good lawyer.
It's a suggestion given, compulsion nahi hai. So instead we can use should get a good lawyer. You should get a lawyer. A university degree isn't necessary for that job. Necessity in the negative form. So starting with you. Yes, Ridya again. You.
You must not. You must not need a university degree for that job.
आपने must भी लगा दिया, need भी लगा दिया. It's better था need लगा देते. You need not have, right, university degree for that job. So necessity, negative, absence of necessity है. So you need not have a university degree for that job. Third one, perhaps my father will pick you up. My father, possibility. Manav, possibility. My father not giving a try. Rijul,
My father might pick you up.
yes, you can also use may. So my father may pick you up. My father might pick you up. Eating is forbidden in class. Yes, beta. Hanji.
Ma'am, in this third sentence, can we use would? My father would pick you up.
यहाँ पर would हो जाएगा बेटा. Possible situation जिसको would उतना sure वो नहीं जाएगा. Perhaps use हो गया है. We are talking about possibility. Possibility में may, might या could हो सकता है. Could कर सकते हैं, but weakest possibility. But यहाँ पर pick up करने की बात हो रही है. So that way father is supposed to pick them up. So perhaps का usage है, so you can go for may or might. That would be the better option in case of modals, right? Last one, eating is forbidden in class. Ravnoor. Hurry up.
you should not eat in class.
ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर सजेशन भी हो सकता है, कंपल्शन भी हो सकता है. यू मस्ट नॉट ईट इन द क्लास. स्पीकर, क्योंकि यहाँ पर स्पीकर की अथॉरिटी दिख रही है कि भाई खाना बिल्कुल मना है क्लास में. सो अगर हम उस दैट सेंस में ले, सो यू मस्ट नॉट ईट इन द क्लास.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can we write here you cannot eat in the class?
यहाँ पर एबिलिटी की बात तो नहीं हो रही है ना कि क्लास में खाना तुम नहीं खा सकते हो. दैट वे नहीं ले सकते हम, और हम सजेशन नहीं दे रहे हैं. इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग, वी कैन से, कंपल्शन फॉर नॉट ईटिंग इन द क्लास. So it can be taken as a suggestion. And if we see forbidden word is used, somewhere the person who is in authority, he is forbidding someone not to eat in the class. So the best modal will go here is must. So you must not eat in the class. The person is compelling the listener not to eat in the class. So that way. So when that compulsion is there,